What's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing another Shop My Stash video, but this one is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette that I did a video on a really long time ago, so if you haven't seen that, check that out. But I kind of wanted to go back in and do it without copious amounts of eyeliner, I guess. I am definitely an eyeliner girl, but I do also like this palette with like more subtle looks, so a little less liner. We're gonna do less liner and then pop some lashes on. I'll do a little bit different of a look just with this palette right over here if you forgot what the Just Peachy Mattes palette looks like. It's really pretty. Of course it's all mattes, just Peachy Mattes, you know. Last time I did a tutorial with this, I used this row. Today let's go ahead and use this row, but let's go ahead and get started. I have prepped my eyelids already. I used some concealer and some powder to go ahead and prep them. And remembering this palette, I always use a lot of powder to set my eyes to make sure that every eyeshadow I put on blends out very nicely, very evenly, smoothly, yada yada yada. I'm gonna grab some Peach Punch on a blending brush. This is the Eco Tools blending brush. I don't really have a name for it. It's pretty fluffy though and large, so it'll diffuse everywhere. I'm just going to put this all over, really. Building it up slowly to avoid any weird splotchiness. I'm focusing it on the outer corners of the eyes, but really I'm just getting it everywhere. But if I'm going to have it be darker in any one spot, I want it to be darker right here. Bandit's already asleep over there, so if you hear any deep breathing, that is him. If you have any tough times blending something out, just grab a bigger brush with a lighter color. So I'm gonna grab this right here. This is the BS Small. It's like from Amazon or something. And I'm gonna grab the shade Just Peachy. Ooh, my brush. I'm gonna grab the shade Just Peachy with this and just diffuse out the top. This is also a really, really light, fluffy brush. Very, what's the word? There's a lot of space between each bristle of the brush, so this is really nice for like diffusing and blending. We're going to do that to this side now. Let's go in a little more though. So last time I did a tutorial with this, I used this row. Today, let's go ahead and use this row since we just used these two. So I guess I'll deepen it up with just right. I don't want too much. Maybe we'll use this as the eyeliner. Remember, I said I wasn't going to really do much eyeliner. So let's see if I can just buff a line in with this. This is the Luxie 246 Precision Crease. I would never use this in my crease unless I'm cutting a crease. But let's just go ahead and lay this down very close to the lash line. If I really don't want to put on any liquid liner, I am going to have to put on my lashes under the eyelid instead of on top of the eyelid, so that you don't see the band. I just realized I didn't put on any mascara yet, so as I'm waiting for the eyelash glue to dry, I'm just gonna pop on the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I mentioned this in another video already, but because I have my lashes permed, I'm not going in with waterproof first. I'm so adamant on always going in with waterproof mascara first. So this is a little insane for me, so I just want to always disclaimer, this is not what I normally do. Let me think. I have to see how thick this band is. Yeah, that's totally going under the eyelashes. This is the Lashaholic lashes in Instaglam. It looks like this, but I am going to be trimming them down quite a lot. I usually only do half lashes for myself, just with that my eye shape, I think it looks best that way. So let me go ahead and quickly apply these and I'll be right back. Alright, so the lashes are on. I am going to figure out what I want to do with the lower lash line. There's a little bit of fallout already and I kind of like the way the fallout looks. I'm just grabbing the one that we used with Just Right just to deepen the outer corner here. But you know that like Korean or Asian trend where they like their like eye bag fat to be noticeable? It kind of looks like that just on its own. Actually, I think this side needs a little more pink, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just gonna gray up my Morphe G15 with a little bit of Just Peachy, which is the lighter peach that we used, and just put that all over my eyelid fat thing. I'm just thinking about how much I miss eyeliner, but I don't really miss it here. The lashes look okay. They're not like super dramatic, but not unnoticeable. So I like the way it turned out. If you haven't seen my other video, again, I'll have that link down below and up here for you. Yeah, I do like the way this turned out. I'm glad the lashes actually stuck on under. What are words? This was the first time that I have ever used these lashes, so I didn't know how they were going to function, but the band is pretty thick, so it worked really well with the under application instead of the over application, especially since I don't have any liner on to hide the band. I'm just gonna set my face with some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. It was a pretty quick look, very simple to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV.